Okay, let's talk about entrepreneurship. The thing that I'm seeing on YouTube and all over Instagram and social media is this hustle lifestyle, this entrepreneur, this made it, this £1 million. It's all about this monetary value. But I want to really demystify that in the sense that I don't think entrepreneurship is like that, from what I've experienced anyway, and from what I've learned myself over the years of doing it. I've been working for 2 years now, and I've never experienced what a lot of people are showing on YouTube. And I think I really want to demystify that for people, in the sense that if you're starting out, it's hard, it takes a lot of work, it takes time. It's not like the glamorous Lamborghini, making $1 million, all of this that people show on YouTube, and take everything that you see with a pinch of salt. Trust me, in the sense that what a lot of people put out on social media isn't always their true selves. It isn't always what they've truly done. Entrepreneurship is hard. Entrepreneurship is super duper fun though. It's fun in the sense that you get to build something, you get to build something meaningful, you get to do what you love whilst earning money, and like that's insane. Like you can work on your own time, you can build something that you're actually passionate about, you can build a community around what it is that you want to build, and I love that. I love people who have put in the work. I love people who just hustle, those who like do good stuff and create something meaningful. This is kind of a message to someone who, if you were starting out and you were starting your entrepreneurship journey, then I want you to know that it's going to take time, and I want you to know that it's not 100% glamorous as you see on YouTube, as you see on Instagram. These people are like curating these stories and showing you the highlight reel essentially. Entrepreneurship is hard, it takes time, and I salute you for like watching this video and actually wanting to do something. Whatever it is that you're doing, please understand that you will create something meaningful, you will create something good, and you will create something that is of value to people. If you just keep going, keep being consistent, and keep creating, keep doing it. If you look at all the stories like Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, in the sense that they started in a garage, Google started in a garage. Listen to the story of Lush, the UK cosmetics brand, and how they started and how they had a big fuck up halfway through. I love stories like that. How it took James Dyson 500 attempts to make the vacuum that he wanted. You don't see that. You always see the highlight reel. You always see the best version, especially in like entrepreneurs nowadays, when they don't really have anything to show for it, but they can create good looking content. And I think this is what's leading to this kind of glamorization of entrepreneurship, and I think it needs to stop. I think entrepreneurship is hard. It's that grind. It's that just keep going, keep persevering, thinking of new ideas, and how you can develop and grow yourself. Yeah, like really think about that. If you're thinking of starting entrepreneurship and you're thinking of starting a business, it won't be what you see on YouTube or Instagram. It's never like that. Yeah. My context is that I've been doing @Live, which is my creative agency, for 2 years now, and then started another business last year with my mum, which is a candle brand, all handmade and stuff like that. But yeah, I wanted to make this video to say that none of it has turned out like the people on YouTube. I wanted to make a video on entrepreneurship. I was trying to do some research, and this is my reason for making this video. It's not what you see on YouTube, believe me, in the sense that it's hard. Think of all the little businesses that you know or in your area that are putting in the work, and those are where the big companies started. I really want to clarify that for people. You're on this journey, it's going to take time. You're probably not going to see results for a good length of time, say 1 or 2 years, and what you do see will seem really pitiful compared to other people, and don't compare yourself to other people. don't match where you are with other people, because it's just a downward spiral that will lead you to feel demotivated and less inclined to work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you got this far. Please let me know in the comments what you're starting. Love to know. Thank you so much for watching. If you can go and check out my other video, that would mean so much. And consider subscribing. Goodbye.